What is going on, guys? Noe here, bringing you guys another video. So in this video we are going to be doing a quick and easy how to change your front turn signals on a 2012 Hyundai Veloster. Alright, so real quick I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how your car lets you know that one of your turn signals can be bad. So there is my left blinker, it's flashing normal. And that is my right blinker flashing a little bit faster than the other one. I'll go ahead and show you again. There it's blinking normal. And right there it's blinking faster. So that right there lets you know that your turn signal's bad. This one is working good, and here's a bad one. So this right here is what you're gonna want to take off. Just go ahead and give it a twist and pull out. There you go. This is the bad bolt. So you want to push in, turn, and out. Get your new one, same process. Push in, turn, and you should be good. So once you got the new one back in, you can just go ahead and place it right like that. Then give it a turn to keep it steady. Then you got yourself a working light. That's basically it. Go ahead and throw the old one away